In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Display. Then click on this switcher next to adaptive brightness to switch it on or off. If you want to, you can also go into Tab menu and click on those three dots on brightness slider. Then manage adaptive brightness the same way, but this time save your changes by hitting Done at the bottom right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!